here with Hawaii, the Damon group, and aloha! Welcome to this week's 60-second open house. Today's open house features a gorgeous home right on Koko Marina with panoramic mountain, Koko Head, and marina views. This beautifully maintained and remodeled 5-bedroom home has over 3,150 square feet of indoor living space, with another 1,000 square feet of sprawling deck area leading to your own personal boat dock. It also features a pool, jacuzzi, and barbecue area for the ultimate in indoor-outdoor living lifestyle. Come check it out with me. Minutes by boat to dining, shopping, and the beautiful Manalua Bay. The casual and relaxing marina lifestyle awaits for you here in this lovely home. If you have any questions about this neighborhood and this home in particular, please do not hesitate to give me, Damon, a call. And aloha!